Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Yeah, it's Kevin from Pickin in the Hood too. Hey, I just want to make a video. People keep asking me. I know I made videos like this before, but this time I'm gonna get pretty in depth with it. It's selling on eBay for beginners. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Hey y'all, for you beginners out there, the first thing you have to do. Here we get the rolling, y'all. First thing you have to do is open an eBay account. The best thing for you to do when you're starting off is use your smartphone. Use your smartphone, get the eBay app, and open up your account. Now, people always ask me about the age. I think you have to be 18, I'm not sure. But it is some kids selling on eBay. I mean, there are kids selling on eBay. It's just one little 12-year-old boy that's selling on eBay. But I don't know if his parents opened up the account for him or not. So I really can't tell you. I know you can't be 12 and have your own account. So I know that. But I don't know what age you have to be to start to open an account. I think it's 18. Okay, don't take that literally. Check for yourself on eBay. So first of all, you got to get the app on your phone and use your cell phone first. So then second thing you have to do, this is what I would do. I'll get familiar with it. I'll get familiar with eBay. Hold on, turn this off because it's driving me crazy. I get familiar with selling on eBay. I would familiarize myself with the eBay app. Okay. So how you do that is that you get an item from around your house, like a video game or something like that. You go to the search bar and you put the name of the video game in there and you search to see how much it's selling for. What's gonna pop up first is stuff is what people are asking for it. You don't want what people is asking. You want to see what it's sold for. So at the top right hand corner, it'll say filters. So you push that filter, scroll down until you see more filters or whatever it says. You see more. Push more, and what you're looking for is complete and sold. You want to press those two. Slide those two. Then you want to go back in the same. You go back, push the back button, and it'll show you what that game sold for. That's what you want to see. That's what you're gonna base your price on. What it sold for. And some of this stuff varies. Like somebody can have a $30 game that sold for $14.99. It also sold for 30 something pre-owned. It could have sold for 50 brand new. It sold for 30 brand new. So you have to look at it. You have to base your price in between those two sales. So if one sold for 30, one sold for 50, put yours in there for 40 something. Now when you open up an account on eBay, sorry y'all, I'm running out of battery. When you open up your account on eBay, you have to have an account somewhere. Or now I think you can use a credit card, I'm not sure. I got an account, a banking account. And the reason for that is when you buy something or when somebody buys something from you, eBay can send them money. Now when you first start off, eBay not gonna see you. If you sell something, eBay not gonna see your money until that person received the item that they bought. So you sell something for $50, you're not gonna see that $50 until that person receives that item and is satisfied with that item. Then they'll put the money in your account. Okay, so that's the way it is. I don't remember. I've been on it so long. I don't remember how I first started. All I I know people used to send you money. They used to send me money orders back in the day. We used to have to pay through PayPal. So anyway, so when you let's go over this again. You get the eBay app on your phone. Familiarize yourself with eBay on how to sell stuff, how to find stuff like that. Familiarize yourself. Open up an account and make sure that you fill out all the information that they want you to fill out. Then you start off selling stuff from around your house. Don't start spending money first, because you ain't gonna be making no money. You're not gonna be making money right off, because I think eBay let you sell 10 items. 10 items. I don't know the rules. You have to look it up yourself, but I think it's 10 items. If I was you, I would open up a starter store, which is $5 a month. I would open up a starter store. You get you 250 items. Now I don't know if they let you do that right off the bank, but I would try if I was you to open up a starter store. Starter store, you get 250 listings. 250 listings a month. Okay? But if you don't, you can still sell on eBay without a store. They just limit your selling amount to 10 items, I guess. So you gotta make sure that you put your best items on there. Your best items on there that's gonna get you the most money. Because you're trying to build that account up, right? That's what you're trying to do. So, the third thing is to sell stuff that's around your house. Video games, shoes, clothes, whatever you can sell that's around your house. That's what you want to start at. Okay? Now, when you list stuff, make sure you got a good spot where you can take really good pictures, show all the flaws, make sure stuff works. If it don't have no charging cord with it, put in a description that there's no charging cord, or if it haven't been tested, or if it's not working, put sold for parts or whatever. Make sure you do that, because you're just starting off. You don't want to get no dings from eBay. If you get some dings from eBay just starting off, they won't let you sell no more. You won't be able to sell on the platform. So it's simple, but it's not simple. It's simple for me to say all this stuff, but when you go through it, it's not simple, because you got to watch and make sure that you're doing the right thing, because eBay don't play. Now, just starting off, you got 0 sales, right? This thing ain't even shifting gears. There you go. You got 0 sales. So your thing is you want to get your feedback up. So you want to make everybody happy. But you're going to be getting scammers though. Because you're going to have 0 sales. They're going to think you don't know what you're doing, what you don't. You're going to get people scamming you right off. Because you got 0 sales. They see something that they like, and they're going to try to scam you. I'm going to tell you a story. I just opened up my second store, right? I sold some race tracks, some race car tracks. And the guy bought all of them. I think it was $180 or something worth of tracks. Vintage race car tracks. He thought I was new. So he filed a case with eBay saying he didn't receive those items, when it clearly said that the post office dropped it off at his door, right at his door. So he got them. So as soon as I saw that, I knew what he was doing, because I know I had zero sales and I had 0 feedbacks. So I knew he was a scammer. So what I did, I called eBay and told him. I told eBay right off, you know, this dude trying to scam me. You know, he said that he didn't receive his items, but he did. So whatever happened, eBay took care of it. Whatever. eBay took care of it, and the guy didn't get his money back or nothing. Because I told eBay, this is my second store. I've been selling since 2002. You know, I know a scammer when I see a scammer. He think I got zeros. He think I don't know what I'm doing, but I do. So you got to watch out for these scammers. You got to make sure. So that's that. I mean, I would change it up a little bit. I put all cheap stuff on there. So when you get a little experience, you want nobody to be able to scam you, because it's hard to figure out who these scammers are. And most of the time, eBay is for the customer. You know, they ain't never for the seller. They're always for the customer. So just start selling small things first, $10, $20 items. Don't put nothing expensive on there until you get a little feedback and a little bit of sales up under your belt. Anyway, this is a two-part, y'all, so I'll be back with y'all in a minute. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Okay, the fourth, I think I'm on number 4. Number 4 is watch all the YouTube videos you can on how to sell on eBay or how to sell on any platform. Watch all the videos you can watch. Learn stuff. Go on these lives like Buffalo Picker, Jim Glass City, and Mess All Digs. Go on, watch Mile High Hustlers, you know, with Greg and Greg Jr. and Mommy. Watch these people. They teach you how to sell. Watch Fundamentals of the Side Hustle on Wednesday night. You know, Hump Day Hangout. Buffett's on Friday. Mountain High Hustlers is on Saturday. Defend the Hustles on Fridays. I forgot what time, 6:30, whatever. You have to look at your local time. But watch these videos. Watch the reseller community. They'll teach you how to do the stuff. And just don't take one person's word for it. Do the research yourself. I'm just telling you the way I teach people how to do it, and the way I tell people how to do it. But there's plenty of ways you can learn what you need to learn from the way you need to learn. I'm just saying, go on these videos, watch these videos, take your technique, add all this stuff together, whatever you want to do, you know. But the basics are, you got to have the app, you got to open up an account, and you got to have stuff to sell. That's the basics. You got to have stuff to sell, and you don't want to mess up on eBay. When you just start, please do everything right. Try to do everything right. Read the rules and regulations. Find out what you can sell and can't sell. Stuff like that. You don't want to get in trouble. So, because eBay will close your account down. Yeah, y'all, that's it. It's basically just like that. You just step out there. Don't be afraid. If you don't start selling right off, you know, that's the way it is. Keep on listening. Keep on listening. Your day will come. Watch out for scammers. That's all I got to say about that. Scammers suck. But anyway, y'all, this Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want to tell y'all, have y'all ever heard of American Pickers, speaking the back roads of America? Have y'all ever heard of Buffalo Pickers? Yeah, him in Glass City and Mess All Digs on Friday nights, defending the hustle, y'all. Have you ever heard of my boy Big D and Regina Michelle, Hump Day Hangout, Fundamentals of the Side Hustle? Yeah, have you ever heard of my boy from North Carolina, South Carolina? I don't know. Casey, yeah, the golf club king, y'all. Have you ever heard of Ella? Have you ever heard of Shaw? Have you ever heard of Mountain High Hustlers? Yeah, Greg and Linda and Greg Jr. Yeah, the little baby out there shopping. Yeah, they the Walmart clearance kings and queens. Check them out. Have you ever heard of blood, sweat, and sell? You're bloody, you're sweating, and you're damn selling. What the hell? Have you ever heard of garage, flip, garage, the shed, whatever? I don't know. Have you ever heard of my boy TP from Kentucky. Yeah, the Tesla picky, picking for a Tesla, y'all. Check him out. Anyway, this is Kevin from St. Louis, and all I want to do is say, woo! That we pick in the hood too. Yeah!